Before you buy Webflow, there are 7 key things you need to know. If you're new to web design or thinking about upgrading your current tool, stick around to learn how Webflow stacks up against its competitors and why it might be the right choice for you or not. And remember, you can try Webflow completely free through the first link in the description, so make sure you check that out. First thing to consider: design flexibility. Webflow offers a level of design freedom that platforms like WordPress and Wix just can't match. You have full control over layout, animations, and interactions, which gives you a much more powerful canvas to work with. Unlike Squarespace or Wix, which limit design customization, Webflow lets you create pixel-perfect designs without the restrictions of templates. But this also means there's a steeper learning curve, especially if you're used to drag-and-drop builders. Next thing, CMS functionality. If you're building a content-driven website, Webflow's CMS is a game changer. Unlike platforms like WordPress that require plugins for advanced functionality, Webflow's CMS is built right into the platform. This makes it easy to manage dynamic content without needing extra tools or complex setups. However, if you need something extremely customized, Webflow's CMS can be a bit rigid. It's not as versatile as WordPress in terms of plugin options, so keep that in mind. The third thing to think about is the pricing structure. While Webflow might seem affordable at first glance, it's important to understand their pricing tiers, which can add up quickly. They offer a free plan, but it comes with limitations like Webflow branding on your site. The paid plans start around $12 per month, but to unlock advanced features, you're looking at a minimum of $29 per month. Compare this to something like WordPress, where you could find much cheaper hosting solutions, but you'd still have to pay for premium themes or plugins. So while Webflow isn't the cheapest, you're paying for its robust features. The fourth thing is hosting. Webflow provides managed hosting, which means you don't need to worry about third-party hosting like you would with WordPress or other platforms. Their hosting is fast, secure, and includes a CDN, Content Delivery Network, to improve site load times globally. However, that also means you're tied to Webflow's hosting, and it might be more expensive than using a separate hosting service like Bluehost or SiteGround. Next up, SEO features. Webflow has powerful SEO tools built in, which make it easy to customize meta tags, alt text for images, and URL structures directly in the design interface. This is something that can be more difficult to do on platforms like Wix or Squarespace. You also have complete control over the code, which allows for more advanced SEO tactics. But even with these powerful tools, Webflow is still not as widely supported by third-party SEO tools as WordPress. So if SEO is a top priority for you and you need complex integrations, Webflow may not have all the options you're used to with WordPress. The sixth thing to keep in mind is tackling e-commerce. Webflow has introduced e-commerce capabilities, which means you can build an online store directly within the platform. This is comparable to Shopify, but with more design freedom. While Shopify may offer more robust tools for managing a large-scale store, Webflow is a strong contender if you prioritize custom design and control over your site. But if you're new to e-commerce, Webflow might feel a bit overwhelming at first, and you may need to familiarize yourself with its unique workflow. Finally, support and resources. Webflow offers a lot of educational resources to help you learn the platform, from free courses to webinars and community forums. Their support is solid, though it's worth noting that it's not as extensive as some competitors. WordPress, for example, has a massive community with tons of free tutorials and plugins. Webflow's smaller community means there might be fewer third-party resources, but it also means you're likely to get more personalized support when you need it. So, to recap, Webflow is an incredibly powerful web design tool with a lot of design flexibility, robust CMS features, and excellent hosting. But it's not the cheapest option, and the learning curve can be steep. If you're someone who values customization and is willing to spend a bit of time learning the platform, Webflow could be an excellent choice for you. If you want to try Webflow for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial and some additional benefits to get you started on your web design journey. Thanks for watching.